Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a walking video because we're going to talk about the brand new firmware update called 1.05 for the Fujifilm 16-80mm f4 that is supposed to fix, or not fix, to get the stabilization of this lens to a whole another level when it comes to video. If you've seen my review before that I put out before, if you didn't, I'll link it somewhere here. You could see that I was blown away by the quality of the stabilization in the stills compartment, but I didn't speak too much about the OIS in video because I didn't use it that much at the time. From that moment, I opened a brand new channel. It's in Italian. It's about hikes and stuff like that. And I started vlogging with this lens, and I realized that the footage itself, while high quality, was good when I was in a static condition, but it started to become super shaky when I was in a condition like this, like walking in a dirt road or hiking somewhere. And so I started not using the X-T3 and the 16-80 that much for vlogging because the footage was too shaky. Oggi andiamo verso il lago di Maulazzo e poi il lago di Biviere, forse, si spera. Dopo una mezz'oretta di percorso siamo arrivati al lago. E la passeggiata è fantastica, semplicemente fantastica. Abbiamo appena superato un punto in cui si vedono le rocce del Crasto con le isole Eolie sullo sfondo. And you can see the video is super shaky and annoying at times. So what I was expecting from this firmware update was to see a lot smoother condition while walking, while vlogging in general. And I must say that from the test that I've been doing at home, I'm pretty impressed. The difference seems to be pretty obvious. I'll show you right now before and after video, especially in the corners. The difference is huge, and even during pannings or rotating around, like even like this or panning, I'll show you some footage afterwards. The whole footage is a lot more stable, is a lot more enjoyable. Of course, you will never replace a gimbal with a stabilized lens, but for general purpose use, this is good enough. This is now good enough. And so what can I say? I should say that I'm impressed by what Fuji achieved with this firmware update, and I think it's not by chance that it all happened together with the firmware update for the X-T4, because it looks like they found a way to make their algorithms work better during non-static condition, because the static condition was good already, but the non-static condition seemed too shaky. So really good video, really good update for videos with this lens. And I can confidently say now that it's fine to vlog with this setup, which is X-T3 plus 16-80mm. Even in like here, I'm not doing anything to stabilize more the footage. I'm walking as if I'm not vlogging, and you see the footage is still usable. So thank you, Fujifilm, for the update, and thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one.